Hi, welcome to J2Store. Today we'll be seeing how to create a configurable products. Suppose if you want to sell a pizza in the cart, you will be choosing configurable as product type. As you select the pizza size, the toppings for the pizza vary. Now, as shown in the previous videos, create category, menu and furnish product details. Once you have provided a title, description and chosen your category for your configurable product, click on the J2Store cart tab. Since J2Store uses article as product, let the treat as a product be S. Now choose your product type as configurable. Now click on the Save and Continue button. To make your product visible in the storefront, let the visible in storefront be S. Now provide SKU for your product. Now provide a pricing for your product. If you want to provide discount for your product, click on the Set Prices button. As shown in the simple product, follow the same procedure if you want to avail a discount for a current date. So in order to avail discount for a current date, I am leaving the date range as empty. Now click on the inventory and let the manage stock be S. Provide a stock quantity for your product. As you did for a simple product, provide images for main and thumbnail. Click on the choose file to locate your image in the local directory. Once you have located the file, click on the Start Upload button. Choose the image and click on the Insert button. Proceed the same step for thumbnail image. So as shown in the simple product tab, we are going to create options for the configurable product. So before going to the dashboard, save your product. Go to the components, click on the J2Store to go to the dashboard. So in order to create options for the configurable product, inside the dashboard, go to the catalog and click on the options menu. Now, as shown in the simple product, click on the new button to create options. As shown in the simple product, create a unique name, display presentation and choose a field type for your configurable product to display the options. As shown in the simple product, choose a unique name, display presentation and choose a field type for your configurable product. Since our product is being a pizza, I'm going to choose a size as one of the option and I'm going to choose a field type as radio button. So once you are done with that, give the option value. Give the ordering for your product. Now in order to create another option, click on the Save and New button. Since we chose pizza as our configurable product, here I'm going to give as toppings as one of the option. As said in a simple product, you cannot have a same unique name for every options you create. So if you see in the dashboard, you can find the unique name you have created, the display presentation and the field type you have selected for the configurable product. So once you have done with the options, we are going to access this unique name inside the J2Store cart tab by clicking on the options menu. Now click on the J2Store cart tab to access your unique name. Click on the options. As shown in the simple product, enter some few characters of the option name you have created to access from the list. Compared to simple product options, the only difference in configurable product is you have to select a parent option and click on Save button. Based on the size of pizza I choose, my toppings differ, and when I select my toppings, I can view my options for fried and deep fried. So in order to access your option, click on the options menu. So type some few characters of the option name as you did for the simple product type. So based on the size I click, I have to display my toppings. So I'm going to choose the parent option as size beside the toppings. So based on the toppings I select, I have to display my fry options. So I'm going to choose toppings as parent option. So once you have done with that, make the required to yes. Now click on the save button. Now click on the J2Store cart tab. Like the simple product type, you can find the set options value link. So now we are going to create option values for all the three of the option name we have created. Here I'm going to introduce the price modifier as we saw in the simple product type. So based on the toppings I choose, the price of the toppings will be added with the price of the product. Once you have introduced a price modifier, now select parent options to display your toppings. So based on the size, I'm going to display my toppings. So I'm going to choose artichoke and basil for small serves, and for the large serves, I'm going to choose all the toppings. So when I click on small serves, the only artichoke and basil will be displayed. When I click on the large serves, the rest of the toppings will be displayed. So once you have done with select parent options, click on the save changes button. So I'm going to display my fry option no matter the size or toppings I choose. Now click on the set option values to choose your fry option. So even if I choose multiple toppings, I want my fried options to be displayed. So here I have chosen all the toppings. Even if I choose any of these multiple toppings, my fried options will be displayed. Click on the Save Changes button. Once you're done with set option values and choosing your parent options, click on the store name that you have created. Click on the menu you have created. So here if I see when I click on the small serves, so when I click on the small size, the toppings connected to the small size will be displayed. So when I click on the large size, the toppings connected to the large size will be displayed. So when I choose any of these toppings, my fried options will be displayed. No matter I choose a size or choose multiple toppings, my fried options will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video.